Here's how to fix iPhone 17 Pro Max ringer volume too low. First is you can go to the settings option. On the settings option, scroll down until you see the sounds and haptics option. Once you see the sounds and haptic options, make sure that the ringtone that you have is very loud and can't be heard with anyone. Next, what you need to do is to make sure that the ringtone and alerts option is on a high volume, because if this is on a low volume, you can actually hear the ring volume itself. Next is make sure that all toggle buttons are turned on for you to be able to hear and there are no disruptions or filter to the ringer volume once anyone is calling. Make sure that the volume limit is not on so that you can have a max sounds on the ringer volume option. And that is how you fix your ringer volume on iPhone.